What is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie. If it is your first time joining us, please do hit the subscribe button and also do turn on your post notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. Hey guys, so today's video is a hairstyle tutorial, and as you can see, today's hairstyle is Bantu knots. And if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this, of course you're interested, because who's not interested in my hairstyles? You do want to see how I did achieve this, please do stay tuned, and yeah, subscribe, like and comment. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Would you rock such a hairstyle or would you not? Like, just let me know. Let's talk in the comment section down below. Yeah, enjoy.
Those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine, yeah. Konke kamba kahle, uma ngihamba nawe, awukhohlwa abanye, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. Uma nginawe, awukhohlwa abanye, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you draw that to the side, yeah. Hold up, with them boys. Hold up, with them boys. Hold up, with them boys. Hold up, we're making noise. Hold up, with them boys. I just met a million. 9-2-3 driving crazy. Boom, I'm lazy and I'm heavy. Yeah, she's so seven, young banda like I'm scary. I mean, 100 degrees. Yeah, she's so angry, league. Jalo mang pesu keys. Yeah, she's so angry, league. Let's go. If you trip and leave the chicken load, that's why you never catch him, cheat this up. Hot box until the spliff is up. I'm never scared, I got pissy love. Drop a pasta, babales. Start rolling up a chase. Drop a fast babales. Start rolling up a chase. She wanna wine for the passway. Cause I'm getting little messy. Don't touch my phone, hey, use a bullet. You're not alone, there is someone else. Used to remind me that I'm broke, you know. Now man give Jayla, she's a side dish. Come on and beg asking why me. So chick is straight, let it show and I mean, I am still the same guy. But Tafa, she's a hero. Uti Muzanga Pupatis in tow. Cause she's in love with the cocoa. And I'm in love with the cocoa. I got it forward, low. I'm in love with the cocoa. Said I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. I got it forward, low. I'm in love with the cocoa. Shibboleth, tak, shibboleth, shibboleth, tak, shibboleth. Shibboleth, tak, shibboleth, shibboleth, tak, shibboleth, shibboleth, tak, shibboleth. He might do to 5 like I'm tak, shibboleth. for a living, all the speech that I am giving it to tune in every Friday on the mid-morning hangout. You give me a follow me, nangzobnika my mesh up, yeah. Music.
Bantu, the city and the ondo, putting black on me swap. Boarding on a bagatic farm. If I see bad, cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, thick lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put us in the media, bro, wanna fat booty like Kardashians, wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo, we like the blood clot, tell her reload it, I've got the camera, my girls are posing, I need some backup, then my ones are rolling, grown women things, I'm never at risk, I'm my own business, I'm never in mess, who am I ain't bae, get a slice of the cake, want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes, keep it real from the jump, cause you get little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths, do you, they don't care, do you, they don't care, get your ass at the box and build up from there, I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean, I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean, MJ leather jacket, be Billie Jean, MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad, I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight, we love, we fight, we hurt, we cry, we pay the price, you'll be, I think I need some time.
So we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.